M.A.C.K, Modular Audio Concepts and Kinetics. So again, this is not my idea. This was borrowed from, I first saw it from TC Sounds, lead engineer and founder Tilo Stompler. But Tilo probably stole it from, I think PV was doing it with their Black Widow series, professional audio. What you'll see from me is basically two arrows. That's to eliminate any sort of guessing. This is exactly how I built it in this position. So when you get it, you want to line it up. I'll include stainless socket cap hardware, so that way it tends not to get sucked to the magnet or sucked into the gap. And you'll get a top assembly like this, and it just bolts into place. That's your motor. So you carefully put it in place, line up the arrows, feed in the hardware, and then you'll get a little cool, this one's my dirty, gross one. You'll get a tool like this, a little ratchet tool, and you can keep that. Sometimes we run out of the ratchet type and it's just a regular wrench type, which takes longer, but again, you should only assemble this once and then it'll be good for 10 years or whatever. So, and then we do that with the JL Audio top assemblies as well. We just use different hardware because they use a different bolt standard, which is quarter 20. But these are typically M6x1, which is the international standard, as they say. But that is one aspect of M.A.C.K, Modular Audio Concepts and Kinetics.